Hello and welcome to Esther's Kitchen. Today we'll be preparing mushrooms. I have baby Bella mushroom. Mushrooms are really good for you. Mushrooms have protein, so they can be used as an alternative for plant-based protein. So mushrooms are good for you. So I have organic rainbow kale over here. We have a blend of green, red, and Tucson kale in here. They're ready, washed, and they're ready to go. I have, I'm using soy sauce today since I'm not using oil. I have some salt in there. I have a teaspoon of salt in there. I have onions. They're already sliced. And I have yellow sweet pepper already chopped, and I have me some garlic, and I'm ready to get started. I have my skillet today. I'm using a 10-inch skillet, Salad Master, and I have it already preheating. So I'm gonna put my onions like so. I'm going to add garlic. I'll add a little bit of soy sauce to help us saute the onions before we add everything else. And we'll cook the onions for until it turns brown, like so. It's coming up really good, as you can see. The smell is good too, like that. Make sure to stir to prevent it from burning. Alright, I think I need to add a little bit more heat. Alright, it's coming up really good. The smell is awesome. It's awesome, awesome, awesome. The onions are almost there. You can see it smells really good, really good. We have onions brown like so, and I'm ready to add my mushroom. Here we have our mushrooms added. Make sure to clean your mushrooms before you cook them. And we are going to add our salt, like so. And then stir. This is smelling really good. Smells really good. See how good that is looking. I like my mushrooms well cooked, and we'll give it a minute. Bump the heat up a little bit, and let it cook. As you can see, your mushrooms are turning great. Starting to cook. we'll give it a minute, a few more minutes to cook and brown and, you know, get all done. And you can cover it for a few minutes, and then we'll be when we come back, we'll be ready to add vegetables in. We cover the mushrooms and they are pretty much fully cooked. As you can see, the smell is just awesome. Smells awesome. Smells awesome good. And now we'll be ready to add our vegetables. Here is our kale, rainbow kale. As you can see, it has different colors in it. And add it like so. I might not use the whole thing. I'll try to fit it in there. There. Kales are really good for you. You should try them. You can do different things with kales, like so. Alright, now you can add your sweet peppers, and all you need to do is stir them in and cook it for a minute uncovered. You don't overcook your vegetables when you're cooking them. You want to eat them crunchy and while they still have their nutrients. So we'll stir these in, mix it with the mushrooms. Like that. Maybe I need a better starting thing. Things are looking really good over here, as you can see. See how good this is looking. Next time I'll use a little bit of kales. I think my skillet is a little bit smaller than the stuff that I added. That's why I'm stirring carefully. Alright, when we come back, our mushroom should be ready for serving. Look here guys, our mushroom is done. Look how pretty that looks like. Oh, it looks awesome good. It smells really good. This is very, very nutritious. It's good for your family. You can use it as a side. You can eat it with just to anything that you feel like you can eat it with. So I'm ready to taste my mushroom. This looks awesome good. Look, my vegetables are still crunchy, and this is how you want your vegetables to look like. You don't overcook them. So this is the crunchiness that I wanted in my vegetables, and this is awesome good. Awesome good. So check out my website at Healthy Cooking Tips with Esther.com. So this is really good, so check it out. Again, the website is www.healthycookingtipswithesther.com. You can find this recipe in there. Thank you for watching.